We are focusing on several modules on protection, including general protection, child protection, women protection, but of course we are also going to cover IHL and human rights law in the discussion. We have taken our officers through the guidelines on protection of civilians established by the African Union for Peace Support Operations, and we have also taken them through the legal frameworks guiding them on the protection of civilians.
We as also the main actors in this particular operation need to get this particular knowledge on protection of civilians, particularly women and children. So we are very grateful, and the lesson will go a long way in assisting us conduct our operation.